So we have a list here of in total 14 equipments. What we want to do now is to click on one of these equipments. Let's, for example, use this shackle right here. This is how the equipment is presented in the app. And the setup is very similar to how it is in Onix Work, where we have these tabs at the top with jobs, issues, and documents. And then the information on the equipment itself is sectioned like so. As you can see, there are 3 documents on this shackle. We can click here to see what those 3 documents are. We have a declaration of conformity, we have a certificate, and we have a user manual. Now, if you have internet connection, you can simply click on these documents, and these documents will be opened in your browser. If we want to add a new document, we can click on the plus icon down here, and we can take a photo if we have the document in our hands, or we can upload it if it's already saved or stored or on our phone or tablet or PC. Down here we find some information about the equipment. We can expand these sections like so. And if we want to edit any information in these sections, we click on this pen and we find the different sections or fields that we can edit. You make any changes and you click on the save button here at the top right. As you can see, you can now also edit the active status in the app. As you can see, we have 4 different active statuses. You can set it to each one as you please. We click on save to complete the edit that we have done. And this goes for the rest of the sections down here. Here we have job intervals. Now in Onix Inspect, you are allowed to add any job interval and as many as you want. Here we can see we have a mandatory inspection that is due every 12 months. The last time it was expected was on November 30th, 2020, and that means it's due on November 30th, 2021. Now let's say that this shackle also needs to have an extra inspection done every 4 years. We can add that interval by clicking on the plus sign right here. Let the app know what kind of job class. We're going to stick to mandatory inspection. The interval is going to be 4, and we're going to change that to years. We can leave the due date open if we want, or we can set it like so, by going back to the years, then to the month, and then to the day. Apply. And click on save here at the top right. We have now 2 job intervals, one 12 months, and one every 4 years. And then we have miscellaneous information down here, such as properties and additional information that we can edit. If we want to add a picture of the equipment, we click on this icon right here. Click on the plus button right here to add a new photo. We can take a photo or upload a photo from our device. And if we want to attach a QR code or an RFID or NFC tag to the equipment, we can do that by clicking on this QR icon here at the top right. Choose whether it's going to be a QR code or a NFC or RFID tag. And simply scan or take a picture of that identification.